Module 2, User and Security Management. Creating and managing user accounts. Creating and managing user accounts in Oracle ERP typically involves the following steps. 1. User creation. As an administrator or a user with appropriate privileges, you can create new user accounts in Oracle ERP. This usually involves providing basic information such as username, password, email address, and other required details. You may also need to assign roles, responsibilities, and permissions to the user based on their job responsibilities and access requirements. 2. Role and responsibility assignment. In Oracle ERP, roles and responsibilities define the level of access and permissions a user has within the system. You can assign specific roles or responsibilities to a user account based on their job function, such as financials, supply chain management, or human resources. This determines what functionalities and data the user can access and perform actions on. 3. User access management. Once a user account is created and roles/responsibilities are assigned, you can manage user access by defining the level of permissions and restrictions. This includes granting or revoking access to specific modules, screens, forms, and data within the Oracle ERP system. You can also set up security features such as password policies, multi-factor authentication, and other security settings to ensure user account security. 4. User profile management. User profile management in Oracle ERP typically involves managing user preferences and personalization settings. Users may have options to customize their dashboard, language, time zone, and other settings to suit their needs. As an administrator, you can manage user profiles and preferences based on organizational policies and requirements. Overall, creating and managing user accounts in Oracle ERP involves defining user access, assigning roles and responsibilities, managing user preferences, and monitoring user activities to ensure efficient and secure access to the system based on organizational policies and requirements. Security features and roles. Oracle ERP provides various security features and roles that help protect the system and data from unauthorized access and ensure the integrity and confidentiality of sensitive information. Some of the key security features and roles in Oracle ERP include: 1. User authentication. Oracle ERP supports various authentication methods such as username and password, single sign-on, SSO, and multi-factor authentication, MFA. These authentication methods help ensure that only authorized users can access the system and perform actions based on their roles and responsibilities. 2. User authorization. Oracle ERP uses roles and responsibilities to define the level of access and permissions for users. Roles are predefined sets of permissions that determine what functionalities and data a user can access and what actions they can perform within the system. Responsibilities are specific job-related roles that are assigned to users based on their job function, such as financials, supply chain management, or human resources. This helps ensure that users only have access to the functionalities and data that are relevant to their job responsibilities. 3. Segregation of duties. Oracle ERP has SOD controls that help prevent conflicts of interest and ensure that users do not have conflicting permissions that could result in potential fraud or misuse of system privileges. SOD controls define certain combinations of roles or permissions that cannot be assigned to the same user, reducing the risk of unauthorized access or fraudulent activities. 4. Data encryption. Oracle ERP provides data encryption features that help protect sensitive data at rest and in transit. Data at rest, such as stored in the database or file system, can be encrypted to prevent unauthorized access. Data in transit, such as data transmitted over the network, can be encrypted using SSL/TLS protocols to ensure confidentiality and integrity. 5. Auditing and monitoring. Oracle ERP includes auditing and monitoring features that allow administrators to track user activities, such as login attempts, data changes, and system access. This helps detect and investigate any potential security breaches or policy violations. These are some of the security features and roles in Oracle ERP that help ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of system and data and prevent unauthorized access or fraudulent activities. It is important to properly configure and manage these security features based on organizational policies and requirements to ensure a secure ERP environment. User preferences and profile options. User preferences and profile options in Oracle ERP allow users to customize their experience within the system based on their personal preferences and work requirements. Some common user preferences and profile options in Oracle ERP include: 1. Language. Oracle ERP supports multiple languages, and users can select their preferred language for system messages and prompts. 2. Time zone. Users can set their time zone to ensure that system-generated dates and times are displayed in their local time. 3. User interface. Users can customize the user interface by selecting a different color scheme, font, or layout based on their preferences. 4. Dashboard. Users can personalize their dashboard by adding or removing widgets, changing the layout, or selecting a different theme. 5. Email preferences. Users can select the types of email notifications they wish to receive from the system, such as alerts, reports, or workflow notifications. Overall, user preferences and profile options in Oracle ERP help users personalize their experience and improve their productivity by providing a more efficient and customized interface. It is important for users to properly configure their preferences and options based on their work requirements and organizational policies to ensure optimal usage of the system. Module 3: Financial Management. Chart of Accounts. A chart of accounts, COA, in Oracle ERP is a structured list of all the general ledger, GL, accounts that an organization uses to record financial transactions and prepare financial statements. It serves as a foundation for organizing and categorizing financial transactions in a systematic and consistent manner. The chart of accounts is a critical component of the financial accounting module in Oracle ERP and is used to define the accounting structure and framework within the system. Here are some key aspects of the chart of accounts in Oracle ERP. 1. Account segments. In Oracle ERP, the chart of accounts is typically composed of multiple segments that represent different elements of the accounting structure, such as the company, department, account, and cost center. Each segment represents a unique attribute of the financial transaction and provides a way to organize and classify transactions based on different criteria. 2. Account codes. Each account in the chart of accounts is assigned a unique code or number, known as the account code or account number. The account code is used to identify and reference accounts in financial transactions, reports, and analyses. Account codes are typically structured based on the segments defined in the chart of accounts, and they follow a predefined format that reflects the organization's accounting structure. 3. Account descriptions. Each account in the chart of accounts is also associated with a description that provides a brief explanation of the purpose and usage of the account. Account descriptions help users understand the meaning and purpose of each account, facilitating accurate and consistent use of accounts in financial transactions. 4. Account attributes. In Oracle ERP, accounts in the chart of accounts can be associated with various attributes, such as account type, account class, account category, and account hierarchy. These attributes provide additional information about the nature of the account, its usage, and its position within the accounting structure. Overall, the chart of accounts in Oracle ERP serves as a foundation for organizing and categorizing financial transactions and plays a critical role in accurate financial recording, reporting, and analysis. It is important to design and configure the chart of accounts based on the organization's unique business requirements and ensure proper maintenance and updates to keep it aligned with the evolving needs of the organization. General Ledger. The General Ledger, GL, is a core module of Oracle ERP that manages an organization's financial transactions and maintains a record of all the financial activities in a centralized ledger. It serves as the foundation for financial accounting and reporting in Oracle ERP. Here are some key aspects of the General Ledger in Oracle ERP. 1. Journal entries. The general ledger allows users to create and manage journal entries, which are used to record financial transactions such as revenue, expenses, and other financial activities. Journal entries are typically created based on transactions entered in other modules of Oracle ERP, such as accounts payable, accounts receivable, purchasing, and sales, or they can be manually created. 2. Chart of accounts integration. The general ledger is closely integrated with the chart of accounts, which defines the structure and framework for organizing and categorizing financial transactions. Journal entries are posted to specific accounts in the chart of accounts, allowing for accurate and consistent recording of financial transactions. 3. Multi-currency support. Oracle ERP supports multi-currency transactions, and the general ledger allows for recording and reporting of financial transactions in different currencies. It provides tools for currency conversion, revaluation, and translation, allowing organizations to manage their global financial operations. 4. Period close and financial reporting. The general ledger provides features for period close and financial reporting, allowing organizations to close their financial books at the end of each accounting period and generate financial statements, such as balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements. It also supports consolidation of financial data from multiple business units or subsidiaries for consolidated financial reporting. 5. Budgeting and forecasting. The general ledger module in Oracle ERP also supports budgeting and forecasting activities. Users can create and manage budgets, track actual financial performance against budgets, and generate budget reports for analysis and decision-making purposes. Overall, the general ledger module in Oracle ERP is a critical component for managing an organization's financial transactions, ensuring accurate financial recording, reporting, and analysis, and supporting financial decision-making processes. Proper setup, configuration, and maintenance of the general ledger module are crucial to ensure reliable and compliant financial management in an organization. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.